Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for another tutorial on this beautiful Saturday fall morning. Today I wanted to show you another adorable Halloween treat. Now I don't know if some of you like to wander through the store looking for specific things that can be turned into treat items. I do that, and I happened to be walking through the drink aisle and I saw this Whitewater Wave Hawaiian Punch, and it drew itself to me because it was white, which I thought was really different because we don't have a whole lot of just like white kind of milky, cloudy beverages. So, and it's not real big, super cute. It's only 10 ounces. It says it's pineapple flavored, but it's actually pineapple and coconut. And I drank one to see what it tasted like. It was like a really sweet Pina Colada. So we're going to make a Halloween Pina Colada. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to cover up this label with a strip of the black and white designer paper. And it's black and gray on one side, but I wanted some color, and I've already colored in some of these. This is a Harlequin pattern, and you can see I have my marker because I've used a dark fresh freesia on most of these, and then dark pumpkin pie, and now I'm using a light granny apple green on the last ones. I didn't want you to have to watch me do all the coloring. This goes pretty quick. You don't have to be super careful because our blends are not going to show on the black. So I'm just coloring, want to add some nice fun Halloween colors to this. It does not have to be perfect. And there's lots of patterns, so if you want one of the striped ones, you can. I just kind of like this Harlequin pattern. Oop, I have a little dot over here in orange I missed. Okay. So now what we're going to do is tape this on. I'm using some tear and tape on both ends. I'm not worrying about the whole middle. A little bit on each end will be plenty to hold this on. Let's grab our piercer to pull those off. Okay. Now there's a printed Best Buy date right here. I want that on the back. I don't want to look at that. So I'm going to count this as the back of my project. And we're just going to cover up. Now this will have a little label left over, but that's okay because we're going to hide that in a minute. So I just want to line it up so just that little bit of white shows. Okay, we're sealing that, and then we're going to bring in our glitter washi tape. Love this stuff. I am going with the purple on this. And the big trick is, and I'm sure I have another purple I've already opened, but the trick is to find the end of it. All right, we're going to start in the back, and I am just going to run this all the way around the top of my paper. Okay, it overlaps. You can just tear it off. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Now, if for some reason it wants to pop up or not hold, you can add a little glue dot or something. Isn't that cute and sparkly already? Okay, now we're going to cover this lid because that blue lid does not look nice with our project. So what I've done is die cut a little black circle. I think it's one of the smallest dies on the layering circle dies, or if you have a punch, or let's see what size that is. It is looks like 1 1/8 inch. So I am just adding a little bit of tear and tape to the top of the cap, and we're going to make the top of the cap black. I don't want my tape to come up. Okay. I think that'll be okay. So we'll line that up. All right, now I'm going to take my purple washi and I am going to put it right at the bottom of my cap so it hides the blue. I'm going to come all the way around. Oh, I want it to start in the back. Let's start over. Hold on. Where's the back? Right here. Okay. I'm going to cover up this lid. Okay. Now it does not want to stick super well to plastic, so I'm going to show you what you can do if it's popping up on you. Okay. Tear that off. I'm going to grab glue dots. I'm going to add a glue dot, and that will help keep it closed. Let's see. I'll grab a glue dot right here and put it under where I've overlapped the washi tape. Just going to stick it underneath the end of the washi. Give it a little extra stick. Only because it's on a kind of a rounded plane and it's not sticking to paper. Okay, so we still have a little blue in the middle, so we're going to take a little black washi tape and just go right over the center of that. You know what? I'm going to put a glue dot on the end of that washi before I stick it down. See if I can pick one up. Because it's sticking to other washi and it's kind of got a little bit of a gap there. And it's over the plastic. Oh, it stuck to my finger. Hold on. All right. Get this going here. But you see how it's covering all that blue? Looks super cute. Okay. And I'm going to put another dot. Let's see, make sure we didn't miss any. Here's one right here on the end of that. It's okay if it's a little jagged from tearing because you're not going to see that. It blends right in with the washi tape that it's going on top of. All right, so we have our lid covered. Isn't that cute? All right, now we've got to decorate a little bit more. I'm going to set that down. And with the layering circles, I've cut out a black scallop circle and then a fresh freesia circle. We're going to glue those together. Let's set that over there. Okay. Now, we have some designer paper called Celebrate Everything. It's a host paper, and one of the sheets is filled with little ghosts and stars and pumpkins. And so I've cut out 4 of the fun little ghosts, and we're going to use these on our ghostly potion here. Let's see. They're all a little bit different. I think I'm going to take, let's start with this one. I'm going to put 3 on here. Put that guy and maybe this one. Kind of going up there, and then maybe this one. Right here. Okay, and then let's pop this up on the front of our bottle. So I'm going to put 2 there, 1 here. All right, if I can get the peelings off. The peelings of our dimensionals. Okay, we want to make sure we're in the front. All right. Oh, we're a little bit to the side. Hold on, I'm seeing the label and I don't want to see the label. That label should be in the back. Okay, we'll scooch it over just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to make a fun little tag to go on the top. So I've cut a tag using the tailor-made tags, and I'm going to use a sentiment from the Best Witches stamp set. I'm going to use If You've Got It Haunted, since ghosts are associated with haunted houses. All right, we're just using some Memento ink. I just re-inked that, so it's really juicy. I got to be careful. Okay, I'm going to stamp a little bit to the left because I want to add this one last ghost on the tag. Let's get him on there. He's so cute. Okay, now because this is a Pina Colada, no one's going to know that. So I printed out a little label that said Halloween Pina Colada, add contents to ice and a shot of rum. Blend if desired, enjoy. All right, we're going to flip that over and put it on the back of our tag. I've cut this down so it just fits, just like that. Isn't that cute? Love it. Okay, of course we're going to use our black and white gingham ribbon to tie this on. Let's see if we can cut about the right amount. Might be a little bit much, but that's okay. All right, so I'm putting it just around the neck of the bottle. Okay, I do half the knot and then thread this through. Tie another half a knot, because you can take it off without taking the tag off, and then a bow. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love decorating beverages. Isn't that cute? I mean, who doesn't want a sparkly pina colada for Halloween? I know I do. This one I might save for myself. All right, I hope you enjoyed that project. If you would like to purchase the items to make this, I'll post the supply list and measurements on my blog. The link is below. Don't forget that if you'd like to join my 12 Weeks of Christmas program, make sure to click subscribe to my email list. The link is below for that as well. And yeah, I think that's it. I will see you back here on Monday. Monday. I get my days of the week straight. I'm still getting back into video mode. I'll see you back here on Monday for another super cute Halloween project. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.